Hello everyone, welcome to the Laravel solution series. Today in this video we are going to discuss about a problem and then I will provide the solution. So first we will understand the problem. So in this case I am implementing this attribute costing in my project, right? And then when I am implementing this, so I faced an issue. So let's go here, and here I have added a protected cost property. You know that if we are costing something, we need to define the cost property in the model, and then we need to define the key here, and then its type, right? If I want to make this encrypted, so then I will pass encrypted. So if I want to make this boolean and or stringable and stuff like that, I need to pass this here, right? I'm making this title encrypted for testing purposes, and then when I'm going to do this, so let me go there and create a new post, right? So let's create it. So by the way, in the database I don't have any post, right? So let's get refresh and then create a new fake filler Chrome extension, submit this post, and let's get refresh here, and this title would be encrypted, right? Because we applied the encryption and it's not encrypted, right? It's weird, and I debug it for 1 to 3 hours, and I don't know why it's not doing this. Then I change another column and doing this, but it's not applying on it, right? So I opened my video for 5 to 6 months ago. I shooted video on it, that how attribute costing works in the Laravel 9 Laravel, right? So I have full course where I'm explaining this attribute costing, and I watched my video and I confirmed that I'm doing this in a right way. And then I'm thinking that maybe it's a bug in the Laravel 9, and then I realized that no, it's not bug, it's a common feature. So then I look through my model and I found a solution. What's the problem? So problem is this mutator and accessor, right? So when I'm saving my value, so I'm doing it, I'm here accessing and mutating this value. So this is the problem. If I make this comment, so it's going to work like a charm. So create post, okay, fake filler Chrome extension, fill the form and submit it again. So now let's go to the database and let's get refresh here, refresh. Okay, why it takes too much time? Okay, now this title is encrypted. So here we saved this value into the database, right? And when I'm doing this with the mutator and accessor, it's not going to work because it's mutating this value at the runtime, right? When it costs this value here, so after this it will be overwritten with this mutator and accessor. So it means that mutator and accessor priority is higher than this cost, right? So that's why it's not doing anything. So hope you get an idea that how you can, if you in your case, if you face this issue or you are facing it, you are facing this in the future, so you can debug it easily, that you need to apply only one condition, right? Or you need to call the mutator or accessor, or you need to call the route model costing, attribute costing, right? So it's pretty same, right? So both are doing the same purpose, so you need to use only once. So hope you like this video. Please subscribe the YouTube channel and stay connected. Bye bye.